Hey guys, welcome to another risky video. In today's video I will be showing you how to buy Nigerian stocks on Cowrywise. This is a straightforward video, so if you're logged into your Cowrywise, come to invest, and you should already of course have the stock you want to invest in mind. If it's mutual fund, you click here, but again it's stocks I want to buy. So the stock I want to buy is Red Star Express. So this is the stock. The green here means that the market is currently open. It closes around 1 hour 31 minutes from now. Liquidity rating basically gives you a sense of who is buying, who is selling the stock, and all of that. So there's a lot of buyers, but there are no sellers per se. I don't even think the transaction will go through right now, because I mean there are no sellers, so the liquidity rating is low. But let's try and buy. How much are we buying? Let's try to buy 8,000 shares. How much would that be? 96,000 naira. So let's go ahead. So these are the fees. If you break down here, you see all the fees you have to pay. Some stock brokerage platforms will actually charge you more than this. The buffer amount is basically in case there's like any price changes as you're buying it, you know, they will apply it, and if they don't apply those price changes, they'll return it back to your wallet. So that's what the buffer amount is. So you see all of that. I'm going to click on buy now. Now they are asking me, where do I want to take money from to buy the stock? This part is very important, by the way, because if you don't have money in your wallet, that's your stash, you can actually use the bank transfer option to transfer to a bank account that is given to you by Cowrywise. Everyone who uses Cowrywise, fully registered and all, has a bank account. So use the bank transfer option to transfer money into your wallet first before you buy. So I already have money transferred into my wallet, so I'm going to click on pay. Now it's paying, and now it says order in progress. It's going to be processed within a day. Now this is an earlier thing here I tried. So it says failed. Why did it fail? Well, it says no matching trade was found, so your order couldn't be executed. Why is that? Well, it goes back to what I was saying earlier, the liquidity rating. There's nobody selling. If there's nobody selling, then you can't buy. I mean, there could be other reasons too, but that's really what just happened. You know, there's nobody selling, so we can't buy. Now let's go to another stock, CWG. I'm going to try to buy this one with let's do 10,000 shares, 195,000 naira. Okay, that's a lot. Let's do 7,000 shares, 136. You know what, screw it, let's do 5,500 shares. I want to reduce it significantly. Now it shows this, but one thing I did not check again is the order book. So how do we check that? Liquidity rating. Here we see who is buying, who is selling. As you can see, there are so many sellers, there are so many buyers, so this makes for a good trade in a sense. They also give dividend too. You can learn more about, you know, their information and everything here. So I'm going to click on buy. I'll buy 5,000 shares, and then continue. As you can see, this is their fees, also the buffer thing again. Then buy now. I'll select my stash, then pay. So this one should go through, but we don't know yet. It just initiated and it's completed. That was fast. Oh, it's completed. Now you see my holdings here, average cost and everything, returns. It's down a bit because, you know, the market is currently open, it's moving up and down, and that's it. I've bought the stock, so that's it. But I am not done yet. I am going to buy one more stock. Let me see. I have a place where I have these stocks after doing my proper research and everything. So I'm trying to open it again. It's in our community on WhatsApp as well. So the next stock that I would like to buy is Leasing. So I'm going to buy this stock as well, but let's look at the liquidity rating. It's 4, so there are buyers and there are sellers, so that's a good thing. So I'm going to click on buy. One of the things I notice here, maybe they buy from like the cheapest sellers or something, but one of the things that I notice with Cowrywise is you can't really do limit buy. Like you can't say I don't want to buy for 8.20, I want to buy for lesser. I can't set a limit buy. Or wait, can I set your price? You can. Correction, you can. So I want to buy at 8 naira, actually not 8.20. The number of shares required, I want to buy also 5,000 shares. How much would that be? 40,000 naira. Then let's do 10,000 shares, 80,000 naira. So it says good till end of the day. Basically, this part, it's saying that do you want to set this limit order till the market closes today, or do you want to set it for the next 3 days, or do you want to set it for the next 1 week? I'll do for the next 3 days because today is Wednesday. So I'm saying whenever the price comes to 8 naira, buy 10,000 shares for me. So that is the limit this thing I set. So I'm going to continue. This is the price and everything. So I'm going to click on buy now. It will ask me where I want to take money from. I want to take it from my stash. Then click on pay. Then that's it. The order has been set, but it hasn't been executed because it needs to go through the market and see who is selling for 8 naira, 8 naira per share, and buy from those people. How do you even find those people? Do they exist? Well, let's go back to the order book by going to liquidity rating, and you see here there are 1,000 people that are selling for 8 naira. So maybe more people will sell for that. But yeah, I like the fact that you can actually set your own this thing. So if I go to holdings here, it's still pending. You don't have to do anything. We're just gonna leave it like this. Then to wrap things up, I think I want to buy one more, maybe something stable. Let me think. I want to do Lafarge. Lafarge is not a bad stock, but I'm looking at the price. I want something cheaper. I'm a cheap skate. ABC Transport is also cheap, but it's a penny stock, and I don't know what the next couple of whatever is going to be for them. Liquidity rating as well, there are plenty buyers, no sellers, so I can't even buy ABC Transport. Let's try RT Briscoe. What is their liquidity rating? Are there sellers? Ooh, there are plenty sellers. 4.64, 4.65. I'm going to buy this. I want to buy cheap, so I'm going to buy this 4.651 and 4.641. So I'll set the limit again, 4.64. Oh, it says number of shares. Okay, let's set this to 4.64. If you want to be weird, you can even reduce it. So I want to buy, what's 10,000 shares? This one is cheap as hell, so instead of 10,000 I want to do 20,000 shares. This is actually risky, don't mind me. I just like to get in on these cheap stocks and hold them for a very long time. I might lose money, it happens. I might make more money, who knows. So let's do 20,000 shares. I don't care, let's do it. good to 3 days. You can click here again to switch to market price if you want to buy at market price. So I don't want to buy at market price. Click on buy now. Do I still have money? I do. So click on buy now. It completed. Let's go. So let's go to holdings here. It went down. Okay, all right, but it's fine. I own 20,000 shares of it now, so I don't care. So that's it. I'm going to stop here for today. How much do I have left in my stash? How much do I have? 171,000 naira left. So let us stop here for today. So I just bought a bunch of stocks on Cowrywise, NG stocks. So this is basically the ones that went through. CWG, RT, Briscoe. All these reds don't bother me, by the way. I know that in the coming days, you know, it should go up or maybe go down further. It's investing, it's risky, but I did my proper research. I know a bit about technical analysis and also fundamental investing, so don't worry. I've done a bit of research on this stock. RT Briscoe, I got in on it because it's actually actually very cheap. It's a penny stock. CWG seems to have good fundamentals. Then the third one is the which one did we? C leasing, yeah. So this one, let's wait till the next 3 days. If the other processes, it should show up here as well. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let me know if you have questions. Thank you for your time. Bye.